How to change email address on Ubisoft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your email address on Ubisoft account. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Ubisoft app, and there what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, let the app load up. It might take some time, and what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see their profile. Simply tap on it, and once you do so, profile will load up. Now here at the top right corner again you'll find this gear icon or the settings icon. Simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, what you want to do is under support you want to tap on the first option, account management, and it should take you up to the browser where management option will load up. Now here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the first option, account information. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is private information. You can see there, you want to simply tap on edit there, and once you do so, under your email address you'll find the option change, and if you tap on change, they'll send an verification process, and once you go through the verification process you'll be able to change it. So this way you can change email address on Ubisoft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.